Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Today we will learn how to use on and in. Let's get started. We use on for specific days, for example, on Monday, on Sunday, and on my birthday. Remember, on is used for days. We use in for months, years, and longer periods of time. For example, in October, in 2025, and in the morning. Remember, in is used for longer periods. Let's look at more examples. We say on Monday, on Tuesday, on Sunday, and on Christmas Day. These are all days, so we use on. Now look at these examples. We say, in January, in October, in 2025, and in 2030. These are months and years, so we use in. Here is an easy rule: on for days, in for months and years. Let's read together: on Sunday, on Friday, in October, and in 2025. Easy, right? Let's try quiz 1. The answer is in. We use in for months. Great job. Quiz number 2. The answer is on. Why? Because Sunday is a day. Excellent. Let's review. On is used for days. In is used for months and years. Keep practicing, and you will remember them easily. Thank you. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.